If you're looking kinda hot, but your hair is not, gotta Ronsay TV. If you wanna be on fleek, but your hair isn't neat, gotta Ronsay TV. Ronsay TV. Lifestyle, clothing, hair, and more. Ronsay TV. Tune in everyone. Oh.
Welcome back everyone, Ronsay here. So for this tutorial, this is the hair that I'll be using. This is from Expressions, but it came just like this. It's ombre. I did use a thread and then tie it over the wrap. So now I'm gonna twist the hair 3 times and then I'll split the hair into 3 and braid it down.
Girl, you not do me why you. All the day where they talk about me, you not do me why you. Oh yeah. They say me hobby enough for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby enough for drink. La 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 la.
So I'll braid till I get to this length and I'll stop.
You know do me why you. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why you. Girl, you know do me why you. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why you. Let's go, we big night for the swell. Aye, well, me not the man we go fix that you ring. You want it for the dance, man go they sing. You be stand for me, I go there for you. You ready for the wash, I go get for you. Any man who want for guy, I go fetch for you. Any broken nuts, I go fix them quick. Anytime you call, I go reach there quick. Well, then be say I dey smoke on a lie. You pretty lips, I want back call it smile. They can no go move if I no use paddle. The Jaffa then go talk, but they all I do. I like follow Ronsay, no go hide upon your owner. Ready for the show you love, man, no go blunder. Aye, man, no go blunder. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why you. Girl, you know do me why you. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why you. They say me hobby enough for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby enough for drink. La 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 la. You take me as your somebody, I take it as my somebody. You know if I look nobody, see what they tell you do for see one. Baby love me, you love me, all the talking I'll be seen there. Why baby love me, I love you, all the talk me not be seen there. They say me hobby enough for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby enough for drink.
Now that I'm done with braiding the hair, I am going straight to the next step. First, we are going to trim the hair down.
Girl, I love you. Yeah, man. Extra like you know do me why you. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why you. Girl, you know do me why you. All the day when they talk about me, you know do me why you. Oh yeah. They say me hobby enough for smoke.
So I'm gonna take 6 to 9 strands and I'm gonna comb them through, as you can see in the video. Then I'm gonna use the Flexi-Rod Let me pull it closer so you guys can have a closer look. I'm gonna put it on the Flexi-Rod. First I'm gonna hold it tight with my finger, and then I will just twist the hair like so and wrap it. That's what I'm going to do with all this whole strings that I braided. So I will be just twisting, wrapping. When I get to the end, I'm just going to close the Flexi-Rod right underneath.
Me not the man we go fix that you ring. You want it for the dance, man go they sing. You be stand for me, I go there for you. You ready for the wash, I go get for you. Any man who want for sky, I go fetch for you. Any broken nuts, I go fix them quick. Anytime you call, I go reach there quick. But well, them be say I they smoke on a lie. You pretty lips, I want back call it smile. They can no go move if I no use paddle. The Jaffa then go talk, but they all I do. I like follow Ronsay, no go hide the pine owner. Ready for the show you love, man no go blunder. Aye. Man, you no do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you no do me why yo. Girl, you no do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you no do me why yo. They say me hobby enough for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby enough for drink. La 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 la. You take me as your somebody. I take it as my somebody. You know if I look nobody. See what I tell you, do fizzy one.
If you have any left out, make sure you trim it down with the scissors. So once you're done with that, the hair is ready. So the next step is hot water. So now I'm pouring hot water on the rods, as you can see.
They say me hobby enough for drink. La 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 la.
I'm gonna leave it overnight so the hair can dry. So next step is braiding my hair. So now I am just going to show you guys my braid pattern. You're gonna see this one at the front, back, and of course the side patterns. I am now braiding my hair while the actual braid strands are drying. So those strands are getting dried and I am taking the time to braid my hair down. I am just going to part the hair in these little sections, as you can see. I'm first gonna go and braid the section like so, and I will just braid it halfway, not all the way but just halfway, and then I'm gonna section this other part and just gonna add this one into it and just continue braiding. And in the back you're gonna see it's just gonna be a one braid, like a cornrow in the back. So that's what you see me do. And once I'm done with this braiding, it's time for us to go with the next step, which is the installation of the hair. Okay? is my braid pattern. This is what I did in the back, and so that it also looked the same. So now I'm just gonna make sure I put this together and get it right. And I'm gonna take a needle and thread and just sew it right on the cornrow so that this one stick together, and I can now go ahead later on and just install the hair. So this is what it looks like. Just look at it, the braid pattern. And now I am going to use the hair. It is dried, and I took out all the, as you guys could see, I took out all the curls, and now this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and start installing these strands onto my hair. So look at it. Now we are going to just install.
You know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. That's a boy with big line ask for the swella. Aye, well, me not the man we go fix that you ring. You want it for the dance, man go they sing. You be stand for me, I go there for you. You ready for the wash, I go get for you. Any man who want for guy, I go fetch for you. Any broken nuts, I go fix them quick. Anytime you call, I go reach there quick. Well, them be say I dey smoke on a lie. You pretty lips, I want back call it smile. They can no go move if I no use paddle. The Jaffa then go talk, but they all I do. I like follow Ronsay, no go hide the your owner. Ready for the show you love, man no go blunder. Aye, man no go blunder. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. They say me hobby enough for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby enough for drink. La 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 la.
The final result, guys. I'm so loving this hair. I just hope you all enjoy this video as much as I enjoy filming it. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.